Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 3T10 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, and we have to enter About Tablet. Now let's scroll down to find the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. I know this step may be quite confusing, but trust me, it is crucial in order to actually be able to activate the automatic system updates. So now we can go back to the system settings, and as you can see, the developer options will appear right here. And just a quick disclaimer, we've got a video of how to enable the developer options, but I've just shown it to you. But not only how to use them, and also what kind of options you can find them. So I highly recommend to simply check this video and learn more about the developer options. So let's enter them. And basically all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find the automatic system updates. And all you have to do is to tap on the switcher. So from now on, your device will be allowed to automatically update this system. But be aware that it will do it only after restarting your device. So basically you don't have to really remember about manually updating the system, but remember about restarting your device from time to time. Of course, you can turn that off the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your ALCATEL 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.